I'm getting an E4 code on a washing machine that I can't figure out. Model number FFTW4120SW1. I replaced the water level sensor because the machine would fill completely with water and that fixed that problem. The machine is level and the problem is not an out-of-balance load.
Hello, this is Brandon, your appliance expert. I am reviewing your question and will respond shortly. The E4 indicates that the impact switch has been triggered. This can be caused by an out-of-balance condition where the tub hits the switch, or it could simply be a failure of the switch itself. The switch is part number ###. You can see a video demonstrating replacement of that part here. https://www.appliancevideo.com/Frigidaire FFTW4120SW washer out of balance impact switch /. I hope that information helps. If you need any additional assistance or have further questions, please let me know. Thank you.
Is there a way to test the switch? Continuity or resistance?
I believe that switch should have continuity when not hit, and lose continuity when it is hit, when it is operating properly. It may be opposite of that, but if it is broken it would read the same whether it was actuated or not.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, good luck.
It's not the switch. I'm watching the machine right now. In drain and spin, the drain pump almost never shuts off and it won't go into high spin the entire cycle, just the auger spins. There is a loudish clicking sound. Is there a trans shift solenoid? What does part 49, the retractor, do?
Yes, that part is a shifter for the transmission. Usually though, if that failed, the machine would error out and just shut down. It is possible the issue could be with the transmission itself.
File attached, 6CL6TTT. The tub never spins.
Okay, so definitely not the transmission, that could be the shifter, double checking now. I may have spoken too soon. Thought that had an external clutch of some kind, but it looks like the clutch and transmission are all one part, 5,304,516,133. The shifter might not be pulling it properly, but that video looks more like a slipping clutch rather than being in an agitate mode.
I see that the retractor pulls a lever away from the gears, but when does let it go back to the gears? What parts can I test to find out what tells the machine it's alright to go into high spin? Would a faulty lid switch cause no high spin?
Not on this model, it would give an indication on the control. The retractor pulls a lever on the transmission that switches it between agitate and spin mode. You could try manually pulling the lever and holding it with a zip tie or something and put it in drain spin, see if it spins then.
I disconnected the retractor cable so it's always touching those gears, and I'm gonna see what happens. No difference, bad transmission/clutch. File attached, 1ppmp7z. Are there instructions somewhere that explain how to replace that?
Yes, that is what I am thinking. In that first video you sent, the sound it was making me think transmission issue. I agree with your assessment in that video you just sent. I've been looking for video instructions and I'm not finding any about that particular style. And it tends to be a difficult thing to do, so you probably want detailed instructions. I'm still looking for the retractor part number to get more information, and found a fairly long video on a site that seems suspicious. Appliance Videos is a site behind a paywall. This might be an unauthorized copy? https://appliancevideos.rootplayers.com/nmh_rr7co3zrrww/washer diagnostic repair Electrolux Frigidaire drain pump retractor issues.html. This is an older style Frigidaire transmission, https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals FSLQ0IMMW7Q. And I am just finding absolutely nothing on that particular clutch assembly, not even on appliancevideo.com.
Does the retractor pull the lever fully and then release fully, or is there like an in-between that engages the gears differently?
I'm fairly certain it just has the two modes, engaged and pulled tight, or often not.
Okay, this is a rental property. The company is going to replace this piece of garbage. It's 2 years old.
That is excellent news. I agree with your assessment to the quality of this particular design.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.